Hello everyone. Today's video is all about the stunning magenta auroras that recently lit up the skies above Japan. This incredible event was a result of strong solar flares and coronal mass ejections, leading to one of the most intense geomagnetic storms recorded in the last century. Picture a night sky filled with spectacular colors and thousands of people gathering to witness something truly extraordinary. Thanks to citizen scientists, we now have a treasure trove of photographs capturing this unique auroral phenomenon. Let's break it down. Starting from May 7th, we had multiple halo coronal mass ejections blasting from the sun, heading straight for Earth. By May 10th, the situation peaked, and the storm reached its maximum intensity a few hours later. We're talking about a DST index plunging to an astonishing -412 nt. This storm was one of the biggest we've seen in over a decade, making it a once-in-a-lifetime experience for many. It's fascinating how something so far away can have such a profound effect on our planet. Now, here's where things get even cooler. During this event, social media was ablaze with real-time updates and stunning imagery shared by over 1,000 people in Japan alone. Imagine folks setting up their cameras, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive auroras that many couldn't even see with their own eyes. It's incredible how dedicated amateurs have stepped up, utilizing their cameras and smartphones to document scientific phenomena. One of the most surprising discoveries was the distinct color of the auroras that night. Instead of the usual reds that we associate with auroras over Japan, the photographs revealed a dominant magenta hue. This change is quite significant and raises questions about what exactly caused this shift in color. Could it be the conditions in the atmosphere, or maybe even the altitude of the auroras themselves? Scientists are now diving into this data to understand the unique conditions that contributed to the magenta hue. It seems they might be witnessing a fascinating blend of different types of auroral emissions that typically do not occur together in such a vibrant way. The combination of red and blue emissions is thought to be responsible for this stunning color. How amazing is that? In our quest for answers, researchers even estimated the altitude of these dazzling lights, suggesting they peaked at around 1,000 kilometers high. That's incredibly high for auroras. This altitude not only influences the colors observed, but also likely enhances the overall intensity of the display. We're gathering unique data and making interpretations that could reshape our understanding of auroras and their behavior. This analysis was further supported by satellite observations that helped identify the boundaries of low-energy electron precipitation. It turns out that the events leading up to the aurora allowed for a unique interaction between the sun and Earth's atmosphere. It's a perfect showcase of how interconnected our cosmos is, where one event leads to a chain reaction of spectacular sights. And let's be honest, time-lapse videos of these auroras are nothing short of mesmerizing. As colors shift and dance across the sky, it paints a picture of our universe that's filled with beauty and wonder. Every frame is proof of nature's artistry, and it's hard to take your eyes off it. With each stunning display, we're reminded of how small we are within this expansive universe, yet also how deeply we are connected to these celestial events. Now, what truly excites me is the sense of community this phenomenon has fostered. People were out there, sharing their excitement and bringing their families and friends into the experience. This collective joy adds meaning to the night sky, experiences that will be remembered for years to come. I deeply appreciate the role each one of you plays in this journey, so let's continue to support each other. I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced an aurora yourself? What colors did you see? We invite you to share your stories in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others, bringing together a vibrant community of enthusiastic stargazers and science lovers alike. Before we wrap up, I want to express how committed I am to improving the quality of our videos and fostering a space for open discussions. If any of you have suggestions, tips, or ideas on how we could make this channel even better, please feel free to share. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us grow together as a community. Don't forget to subscribe for more immersive explorations into the wonders of astronomy and beyond. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update when we unveil more incredible phenomena like the magenta auroras. Thank you for your continuous support, and let's embark on this journey together. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.